I have heard that you can make a fish trap with a water bottle. Really? Does it really work? Let's give it a go. Okay, let's take this down to the water and give it a try. Here we are, about 30 minutes later. Something's going on in there. Let's see if I can reach it. Let's see what's happening. We really have fish. We really do. How about that? How about that? Let's put you back in the pond where you belong. Go, little guy. There he goes.